Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can turn off read status on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, of course, we have to open our TikTok application. And after we have opened our TikTok, we can go to the TikTok setting, go to your profile first, and then you can click on the three lines on the top right, and then select the settings and privacy. And then here you need to choose the privacy setting. Okay, and then go to the direct messages, and if you want to turn off your read status, you just need to click on the circle button, and then your read status on your TikTok direct messages will be automatically turned off. And that's so easy, right? Okay guys, and that's how we can turn off read status on TikTok direct messages. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video.